My name is Keshab Das. I sort of work as a professor at the Gujarat Institute of Development Research in Ahmedabad, which is a Western Indian city. So I work mostly, very broadly, in areas relating to local and regional development. And within that, I also focus on issues relating to innovations, but then mostly innovations at the margins. I'm sort of focusing, or I've identified now some of the SDG 1, for instance, SDG 2, SDG 8. So these are sort of relating to poverty, these are sort of relating to reducing inequality, and also relating to access to employment opportunities, decent work and employment opportunities. Institutional innovations or the organizational innovations, which are probably now key to bridge the sort of, or to, it will be the major links between the benefits of STI with the final users. There are certain kinds of scientific sort of changes, scientific technologies, for instance, certain kinds of energy use, certain kinds of process-related innovations, which have been sort of possible through the STIs. It is quite sort of interesting to see that many of these so-called traditional enterprises, traditional activities, they could benefit from the STIs. But then you definitely need to introduce certain changes, certain modifications in the what I may call as the intermediate institutions. Well, let's say, for example, the banking institutions, for instance, through which you can mediate access to certain kinds of technology for which you may have to pay a price. So that is one way. And the other thing is there has been definite improvements in sort of energy use, and which has been again been made possible through the STIs. So a lot of research going on there. But again, I think we have to really look for again the intermediate institutions, which might even include to a large extent the role of the state in sort of helping or in facilitating building these bridges between the STIs out there and the sort of the actual activities, actual users, as in the enterprises in disadvantaged regions.